Preventing arc flash situations in your workplace largely depends on the practices of the qualified electrical workers who are servicing the equipment. But there are things that other employees can do to help keep themselves safe when electrical work is being done. First, if you're not qualified and authorized to operate or work on electrical equipment, you shouldn't try. Small mistakes with high voltage equipment can have big consequences. That's why it's also a good habit to stay clear of electrical equipment and potential arc flash sources under any circumstances. Warning labels make arc flash sources easy to recognize so you can keep your distance. And if an electrical worker has set up an arc flash boundary, don't cross it. If you are a qualified electrical worker, you still need to use caution. For example, you must stay alert and aware throughout the entire job. If you're feeling tired, sick, or distracted, alert your supervisor immediately. You should look for safety signs and barricades that have been put up to keep you safe as well. You'll also need to make sure that the area you'll be working in has proper lighting. If you can't see what you're doing, you can't safely perform a task. Similarly, you should never blindly reach into areas that could contain exposed electrical conductors or circuits. You should also avoid wearing anything that could be conductive, such as jewelry, watches, keychains, or even metal-framed glasses. And any doors or hinged panels must be secured. Otherwise, they could swing into you, exposing you to the active electricity inside. If your work area is cluttered or messy, this could also pose an electrical hazard. So before you start any job, always make sure the surrounding area is neat and clean.